And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is Michael, the FXFreedom. Give me a second, everybody. Sound check, sound check. All right, you can hear me, very good. And this is our last lesson of the week, everybody. Professional Forex Trading Course 101. Never forget, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way. Also, never forget you're going to graduate from this course when, number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number two, you have your strategy in place, you understand why you win and why you lose. And number three, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Long or short for the week or the month or the day. Hello Ernesto, ¿cómo estás? How are you? And for questions, you have my Gmail contact, everybody. And for business, classes, choo-choo and other things, you have Skype. Alright, everybody? Everybody, if you're interested in one of those, give me a hello on Skype, okay? Next week we're going to have a presentation about the basket trading, presentation about the Traders Bank, and presentation about the strategy. Okay, if you want to know more, if you want to have more information about the basket trading, or if you want to know more about the Traders Bank, or if you want to know more about how to build a strategy workshop, alright, send me a Skype. Okay, not email, Skype, please, because we're going to talk on Skype. Hello Clara, how are you? My friend Broto from Indonesia. I got it right this time, right? Alright. Risk disclaimer, everybody. These streams are not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn, and today it's how to trade resistance in a downtrend. Michael, yesterday told you were missing a low and high on your USD daily chart. You were using trading. I was using the Forex trading. You showed one less candle. That is the difference. I know. Don't worry, I know, thank you very much. And alright, everybody, how to trade resistance in a downtrend. How to trade resistance in a downtrend. So, this is the easy one. In a downtrend we have extension, retracement, extension, right? And then the market's going to start retracing. This is a retracement trade. Right, market making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and we've learned with an uptrend and past support that the market most likely is going to reverse 7 times out of 10. The market is going to reverse at what we called past resistance. Past resistance. Okay. This is the easy one, right? Past resistance in here. Remember, it's not a line, it's an area, right? Past resistance. And then we learned about counter trendline breaks. Let's make it red, something like this, right? We've learned about the no trade zone. So once the market starts to make lower lows, lower highs, and breaks the counter trend line, then we are going to short the market in the next extension. And once the market changes the short-term trend again, right, and you can use trend lines again, right, the market is going to change the short-term trend again. Then if you want, you can take a retracement trade again until to where? Until to the next past resistance, right? So past resistance, past resistance, past resistance. Okay, past resistance here. Remember, it's not a line to the pip, it's an area. Okay, it can go through. Hello Julius. Okay, everybody, the market can go through. And one more time, everybody, what is the no trade zone, right? Julius was asking me this morning about the no trade zone. The no trade zone is when the market hits past resistance, right? And it goes inside. This is the no trade zone. Okay, and then again it's going to change the, sooner or later it's going to change the short-term trend, counter trend line break, and then you go shorting the market again. Everybody, can you do this? Is this difficult? Can you do this? Everybody? Can you wait for a market to hit past resistance before you enter the new extension? Type in the chat, yes, I can do it, or type in the chat, no, not clear. Not clear, boss, I have difficulties. Alright? Yes, this is the no trade zone. Boss, what happens if the market changes the trend in the no trade zone? Great question, what do you think? Great question, what do you think? Everybody type in the chat, is the no trade zone clear to you? Type in the chat, no trade zone clear, or type in the chat, no trade zone not clear. And the majority is going to win. Broto says yes. Ernesto, it looks simple than it is. I can do it, boss. Wisdom. Yes, on the clear chart, sometimes it's like spaghetti. We love spaghetti, macaroni, we love it. Everybody talking about the no trade zone. Type in the chat, no trade zone clear, or type in the chat, no trade zone not clear. Clear, boss. Okay, thank you very much, Lynn. You are using the no trade zone, everybody. Okay, so one more time, right? One more time. Okay, one more time. You are using the no trade zone for knowing when not to enter a retracement trade. Okay, for number one, knowing when not to enter the retracement trade, and number two, knowing when to enter an extension trade. Everybody, you are using the no trade zone for number one, knowing when not to enter a retracement trade, number two, knowing when to enter an extension trade. Ernesto, not clear. No trade zone not clear. Clear, boss. Boss, what if the counter is inside the node? Okay, everybody. Alright. Thank you very much. Not clear, not clear. Very good. Excellent, everybody. So, this is the extension. This is the retracement, and this is the extension, right? From the last low to the last high, this is the no trade zone. Okay, let's go step by step. So number one, everybody, do you understand how to define the no trade zone? This could be a downtrend, or this could be a market wave. The relevant low and the relevant high determine the no trade zone. Agreed? Okay, now is this, everybody type in the chat, meaning Eurodollar on the weekly chart is no trade zone, boss. Step by step, everybody. So, everybody type in the chat, yes, I know how to determine the no trade zone. Yes, I know how to identify the no trade zone. Type in the chat, yes, I know how to identify the no trade zone. Or type in the chat, no, I don't know how to define the no trade zone. The no trade zone are the relevant highs and lows of the pattern. It might be the down market wave, or it might be the downtrend. Type in the chat, everybody. Yes, I know how to determine the no trade zone, or type in the no, I don't know how to determine. Yes, I can identify. Okay, very good. Excellent. Now, you are using the no trade zone to, number one, knowing when not to enter a retracement trade. So this is the easy one. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So there is going to be a point in time that your risk reward ratio, everybody, okay, background color, foreground color black, and background color green, red, now yellow. Okay, so there is going to be a time that your risk reward ratio is going to be like this, 1/2. Okay, so when the take profit goes inside the no trade zone, hello Allah, how are you? When the take profit goes inside the no trade zone, okay, trading concept. Who is going to help me with the concepts and have 1 year Forex course 2 for free? Trading concept. When the reward take profit is inside the no trade zone, this is where you shouldn't take the retracement trade. Okay, everybody, take a screenshot, photo, picture, okay, and type in the chat, is this concept clear? So when the reward take profit is inside the no trade zone, so the first entry was okay, the second entry was okay, now the third retracement trade, it's not okay. This is where you give back to the market 7 times out of 10 the profits from your first and or second trade. I'm working on that, boss. It may take some time. Thank you very much. Everybody, no rush, alright? No rush. Thank you very much, Ernesto. Everybody, is the trading concept for retracement trading clear? Type in the chat. Yes, clear, or not clear. It's a no-brainer, right? When the reward or the take profit, where the reward or the take profit, so this was my third trade, counter trendline break, and my reward is inside the no trade zone. This is where you shouldn't take the retracement trade. I should not enter this third trade. Type in the chat, yes, clear. Type in the chat, no, not clear. Why not, boss? Because 7 times out of 10 the market is not going to hit your take profit. Retracement trading, it's made from here to here. Okay, talking about probabilities. The retracement trading profit is made from here, from this low up to this low. Okay, from this low to this low. This is where money from the retracement is made. Okay, now the deeper it gets, the riskier it becomes, right? We've learned this, everybody. Why? Because the deeper the retracement, the bigger the chance of the reversal. Julius, is this clear? Julius, their Thailand clear? Are you scaling in? Me not. Me personally not. Okay, everybody. You can scale if you want, but me not. Okay. I don't want to spend hours looking at the charts, everybody. It's a little bit different. It's your strategy. Please, boss, is the no trades on only the market wave and highs and lows too? Highs and lows too, we're going to talk about this one today, Julius. Okay, now. You are using the no trade zone for knowing when not to enter retracement rate. Check on this one. Now, the market gets higher high, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then reverses inside the no trade zone. Okay? Now, if you are going to enter shorting the market in a no trade zone, okay, risk less. So, trading concept again. Trading concept for the extension trading. Okay, if the reversal happens in the no trade zone, or you risk less, so 0.25% instead of the normal 0.5%, or you wait for the market to go outside the no trade zone. Okay, everybody? So let's do it like this. So this shouldn't be that, so this is wrong, right? We're going to color code this in green. This was the OK trade. We're going to color code this in green. This was the OK trade. And here you have the red cross, not OK entry, so the not OK transparency. Okay, so we are talking about this one in here, and we are going to talk about this one in here. So this is going to be green, and here. Take a picture, screenshot, photo, everybody. So you are using the, how can we, let me see if we can do it. Can we manage to put everything on the chart? Maybe. Whoops. Give it a second, everybody. Alright. Now, take a screenshot, type in the chat, done. You are using the no trade zone for, number one, knowing when not to enter a retracement rate. And down you have the trading concept. Trading concept for retracement trading. There you go. Trading concept for retracement trading. When the reward take profit is inside the no trade zone, this is where you shouldn't take the retracement rate. And number two, knowing when to enter an extension trade. Trading concept for the extension trade. If the reversal happens in the no trade zone, or you risk less, 0.25 instead of the normal 0.5%, or you wait for the market to go outside the no trade zone. Type in the chat, wow boss, now everything is clear. Or type in the chat, no, still I don't get it, you know. Type in the chat, clear or not clear. Done, okay. Type in the chat, everybody. Type in the chat, done, clear, not clear. Clear, clear, clear. All right. Okay, everybody. Now, before we talk about past resistance from different patterns, okay, before we talk about past resistance from different patterns, okay, let's look at NZD cat. Okay, done, clear, done. Okay, now I'm getting better. If your strategy, okay, strategy rule, I am going to enter only and only at past support / resistance for trend trading or market wave trading. Okay, everybody, if you want strategy rule, I'm going to enter only and only at past support. It's a rule for, it's a general rule. Today we're talking about resistance, but support goes to the same. So I'm going to enter only and only at past resistance for trend trading or market wave trading. Ernesto is saying that means while price action is inside no trade zone, we must be aware that anything can happen. Yes, sir. Desert Island, what if in a range? Would it be more specific, Desert Island? Would it be more specific? What range are we talking about? Range in general or range inside the no trade zone? Boss, a consolidation is a no trade zone. No. A consolidation, it's a consolidation, everybody. Okay? Not every consolidation. You know it already? You know it already, everybody. Right? This consolidation in here, right? It's not in the no trade zone. Just an example. Okay? So, not all consolidations are in a no trade zone. Alright, strategy rule. I'm going to enter only at past support, past resistance. Can you see, everybody, on NZD cat? Can you see past resistance in here and past, whoops, and past resistance in here, everybody? Can you see it? And past resistance in here. Can you see that? But this is NZD cat monthly chart. High to low, low to high, 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 high to low, and low to high. Can you see, everybody? Can you see that this high reacted to the past resistance and this high reacted to past resistance and this high it's reacting to past? Everybody, can you see it? How the market is reacting to past resistance. Can you see it? Type in the chat, yes I can see it, or type in the chat, no I cannot see it. Yes, I connected highs and lows. Can you see it, everybody? This high reacted to this low. This high reacted to this low too. Red color, there you go. And this high is reacting to this past resistance. Can you see it, everybody? Type in the chat, yes, I can see it, or type in the chat, no, I cannot see it. Wisdom says, yes, clear. So if this is part of your strategy, everybody, and this is the rule, you must obey your strategy. Does this make sense? You must obey your strategy rules. Okay? If your strategy rule is saying, I'm going to enter only and only at past resistance, then you must enter only and only on past resistance. Okay? You must follow the strategy. Okay, very good. Now, we are going to clone chart. Let's go on the weekly, everybody. On the weekly, there you go. On the weekly, we are going to zoom out. From the weekly, same story, right? Same story from the weekly. Can you see, everybody, how extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. Can you see it, everybody? How the market reacted to past. It's not a line, so past resistance here, it went through, you know, past resistance here, past resistance here. Can you see it, everybody? Can you see it? Yes, I can see. That's almost what I'm meaning by ranging. Okay. Now, can you see it, everybody? And if we go clone chart, if you go on the daily, NZDCAT daily chart, okay, and if you go on NZDCAT daily chart, and we are seeing extensions, retracement extensions, right? So this is the, we're talking about retracement, right? So this is the retracement, and this is the retracement, and this is the retracement, right? Retracement trading. Okay, so let's take this one as an example. Okay, where was it? Where was it? Give me a second, everybody. This was the retracement, and this was the retracement, and this was the retracement. Okay. Can you see it, everybody? Yes. Now the short-term trend, right? Now on the short-term trend, everybody, it's here. Okay. Boss, this is too difficult, boss. Okay. This is what Julius was asking, right? All right. Everybody be patient. Okay. Understanding past resistance from different patterns, market wave, and the short-term trend. Listen up, everybody. So, you have lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. And then you have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And then you have lower lows, lower highs, 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 lower lows. Okay, what is the red one? The short-term trend or the market wave? Listen up, listen up, listen up. What you are seeing right now, is this the short-term trend or is this the market wave? This is the skill, this is the skill. This is going to be one of the lessons that you should download and watch 20 times. Not 2 times, 20 times. Everybody give me a second, I need to take something. Could be there, no? Short-term trend, Julius, market wave, Jordanka, market wave, Lynn, short-term trend. Everybody listen up, listen up, listen up. Needs to be in context. No? Everybody who says market wave, or it could be either, or it needs to be in the context, this is the short-term trend. Everybody don't complicate. Listen what I'm telling to you. What you are looking at right now, it's not the market wave. This is the short-term trend. Jordanka, short-term trend is part of the market wave, isn't it? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Everybody, the short-term trend makes the market wave, agreed? Yes, sir. What you are looking at? You are not looking at the market wave, you are looking at the short-term trend. I need you to understand this. Okay, Desert Island. Okay, Julius. Boss, this is the market wave. No. What you are looking at is a short-term downtrend, a short-term uptrend, and then a short-term downtrend. Period, end of story. Okay, everybody, I need you to understand this. Okay? Anything out of the scope of this understanding, you are mixing apples with bananas. Fair enough? Short-term trend is inside trend of the market wave. Lynn, we are going just to confuse the public. Everybody, okay, this is what you are looking right now. It's the short-term trend, not the market wave. Okay? Everybody, can you understand this? Okay? Type in the chat. Yes, clear, or type in the chat, not clear. I need you to understand this. This is why you and me, this is why we are mixing apples with bananas. This is where we put the stop loss in the wrong place. Okay, and now we are going to understand why you lose sometimes. Fair enough? This could be the shortened trend on the daily chart. This could be the shortened trend on the weekly chart. This could be the shortened trend on the 4-hour chart. Well, if you don't agree with me, it's a different story, right? I don't agree with you. Fine with me. Fine with me. My life is not going to change. If you don't agree, it's a different story. But if you can understand this. What if that is a monthly chart? What do you think? Okay, everybody, so we are clear that this is the short-term trend, agreed? Alright. Next question. Can you trade a retracement on the short-term trend? Listen up, listen up, listen up, Julius. Can you trade a retracement rate on the short-term trend? Everybody, if this is the short-term trend, can you trade a retracement on the short-term trend? Meaning, can you trade this retracement? 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 Can you trade those retracements? Yes, we can. Okay, now if you trade, if this is the short-term trend on NZD CAD, right? Let's find the great trend. So here it is, here is the trend, right? Whoops. So here is the trend, right? Okay, this would be a great example. You know? Market moving down, up and down, right? Okay. So this is the live chart, and give me a second, everybody. Give me a second. Daily, not the best example. Daily, not the best example. Okay, give me a second, everybody. Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. Maybe the monthly. I need you to understand something. Let me see the monthly chart, everybody. Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. Well, it's not going to be any. Okay, anyways, not a problem. Where are we? We are here. Yes, we can if you want. Yes, from the smaller time frame. Yes, but on the smaller time frame. Okay. Now, if this is the short-term trend on the daily, right? Right. This is the short-term trend on the daily, and the market starts to make higher highs, higher lows. Okay. Then we've learned that I'm going to profit take at past resistance. Agreed? Right? Okay. And then we learned that this is the no trade zone. And we learned that when the market changes the short-term trend, then I'm going to go for the next extension. Agreed, everybody? Type in the chat, yes, I agree, or type in the chat, no, I don't agree. Agreed. Agreed. Okay. Now, sometimes, you know, you are going to do everything right. Listen up, Julius and everybody else. Sometimes you are going to do everything right. You are going to enter a high probability trade. Now, market making lower lows, lower highs, change the direction of the short-term trend. After the counter trend line break out of the no trade zone, and you are going to lose. Okay, you are going to lose. Make sense, everybody? Okay, happen to everybody. All right, happen to everybody. Tell me, everyone, when you see something like this, what's the plan now? The market went out of the no trade zone on the downside. The market went out of the no trade zone on the downside, make lower lows or highs, so the no trade zone is here, right? you didn't do anything wrong, you entered correctly, right? And the market stopped you out, right? Did the market stop you out? Did the market stop you out? Well, it depends on the stop loss, right? Okay, so yeah, let's say that it doesn't matter, right? So you were stopped out, or maybe you were not stopped out. So the market is here right now, right? The market is here right now, and the market does lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. What are you going to do? And by the way, the market is in the next. You are at past resistance. This is the next no trade zone. Agreed, everybody? From low to high. So this was one no trade zone. This was one no trade zone from low to high. This was one. This was the smaller no trade zone, just an example. Okay. Now the market went out of this no trade zone, stopped you out or whatever, you know, and now you are here. The market is again at past resistance, and it's changing the short and trend direction. What are you going to do? Look for the next no trade zone, check the market wave to find the market wave no trade zone. Please boss, are we to draw our no trade zone on swing high and low? Julius, no. Okay, don't confuse everybody swings with the shortened trend. Dimitar, trade again, long or short? Long or short, everybody? Trade again, long or short. Your strategy is saying that you are going to take a trade when the market is at past resistance. And here you have the next entry. Counter trend line break, short-term trend, market changing. What are you going to do? Short, right? Some is going to say, well, I'm not going to short again, I'm going to wait the market to get out of the big no trade zone. The market gets out of the no trade zone. What are you going to do down in here? So I'm going to delete the first one, everybody, just to be clear, right? If not, it's confusing. So delete the small one. Now this is the next big no trade zone. It's a bigger one, you know, and the market is out. What are you going to do? Broto long, why are you going to go long on the market making lower lows, lower highs, Broto? Short, 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 exactly. And when you short the market's going to do this. Who knows what is happening right now? I say long. Why are you going long on a falling market? Everybody, don't type what is the right answer. Type what you are doing. Make sense? We are not here for you to look nice. We are here for you to type in the chat what you are doing. Fair enough, talking about being fair. Most of us, me too, don't tell me no, I've been there 20 years ago. Most of us, we are going to learn these techniques and rules. We are going to enter in the correct way. The market is going to go against us, and the market is going to start reversing at past resistance again, counter trend line break, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, getting out of the no trade zone. Why the heck would I go long? I would short the market if I'm honest, right? Not buy. Make sense, everybody? If I'm buying in here, then I don't understand the concepts. I'm trying to explain to you what is normal behavior from the trader side And then I'm trying to explain to you what is happening right now. You didn't do anything wrong in here. Make sense, everybody? But I lost. So talking about the market, what is happening, who knows? I should charge millions of dollars for this knowledge, everybody. Oh, you might be no, I'm not joking. The markets are like this right now. Most of the markets. Making higher highs and you buy and then go lower lows and you sell and goes to higher high. Higher time frame, no trade zone. Maybe what else? What is happening right now? Who knows? Broto knows. Broto, what is happening right now? What is happening right now? So can you trade a retracement trade on the short-term trend? What is happening right now? If you zoom out and look at the title, understand past resistance from different patterns, market wave and the short-term trend. Trend reversal, what is a trend reversal? It's reaching pivot point and moving consolidation. Maybe. What else? What else is there? What else is there? Crown, no. Reverse direction, what is this called? Support resistance, no. Or maybe, right? Everybody, so okay, I'm going to give you the answer because time is passing, right? Number one, you didn't do anything wrong on the short-term trend, you know, but we keep losing because the market wave. Oh, but you told us that don't mix apples with bananas. We were trading the short-term trend. Agreed? Everybody? We didn't trade the market wave. There was none. Okay? So why is this happening? The market wave, it started to retrace. Market wave starts retracing. Make sense, everybody? And this is difficult to spot. And what you must understand, you didn't do anything wrong as a trader. Okay? Somebody's already, oh, I knew it. You didn't. You must understand that you were trading the short-term trend, not the market wave. Fair enough? If you would trade the market wave, you wouldn't go. Exactly. If you would trade the market wave, you wouldn't go long. Fair enough, everybody? Yeah, I know it's going to take some time. But please hear me out. Don't yell at me, hear me out. Number one, you didn't do anything wrong, right? You did what your strategy is telling you to do. This is the best part. Pat yourself on the back. I didn't know. You cannot predict the market reversing. Make sense? So when you are stopped out once or maybe twice, then you must realize, okay, the short-term trend is changing directions, meaning the market wave is changing directions too. Okay, everybody? So it's going to happen. Now this is the market wave. Lower extends, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. You know, this could be the market wave like this. Alright? And hear me out again. But you are on your smaller time frame, you are on the daily chart, or you are on the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, whatever chart, okay, and you are going to enter an extension from the smaller time frame, okay, and it's a good trade, it's a good entry, but you are going to lose once, and you might be going to lose twice, and you might be losing 3 times with the same setup. Make sense, everybody? Because the market reversed the short-term trend and you entered short in an extension. The market pushed up. It's at past resistance from the smaller time frame. It's at past resistance from the short-term trend. Boss, this is a difficult lesson. I know. Download it, watch it a few times. So it's possible that you can enter 3 times an extension trade, seeing the market reversing, meaning you can see the short-term trend changing. You know, higher highs, higher lows, and then counter trend line break, lower lows or highs, short in the market, stopped out first time. Past resistance again, market, counter trend line break, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows or highs, short the market, stopped out the second time. Past resistance again, past resistance here again, past resistance again. For the third time, lower lows, lower highs, counter trend line break, past resistance again. And you lost 3 times. Why? You didn't do anything wrong from the daily short-term trend or for the 4-hour short-term trend or for the 2-hour short-term trend, right? You didn't do anything wrong. The market was changing short-term trends. But if we would just realize, get aware, you know, that the market was pushing up still, the market wave, which is this one, the blue one. Make sense, everybody? You are trading the short-term trends. It's all good. It's all good. You didn't do anything wrong. You are trading the short-term trends. Okay? Boss, what's the solution, boss? The solution is, if the market stops you out on the short-term trend 2 times, check the market wave. This is the lesson today. Okay? You enter in extension and the market stops you out the first time. You are again at past resistance from the smaller time frame, short-term trends from the daily, whatever. You enter the second trade going short and you can see it, and the market stops you out for the second time. Don't enter again, because most likely, and this is difficult to understand, most likely you are trading the short-term trend in the correct way, short-term trend, but you are going against the market wave. Wow, this is something to learn, right? Boss, can you repeat, please? Now you got it. It's possible to trade correctly the short-term trend. This is why I told you in the beginning, this is no market wave, this is the short-term trend. This is where you enter, this is where you put the stop loss. So it's possible to enter correctly a short-term trend trade and still lose big, because the market is going against the short-term trend is going against the market wave. Okay? So the daily market wave might be down, but the short-term trend is going retracement and then extensions, and retracement again and extensions, and retracement again. And this example ends decade in here, everybody. In here. I cannot tell you how many traders lost money going long in here. Going long, not short. Boss, isn't this no trades on retracement is a hurdle every now and then on so forth? Yes. But, so one more time, right? We're going to talk more on Monday. Everything that Lynn is saying is correct. But you are not seeing the big picture because you are bothering with trading the short-term trend on the daily chart, the short-term trend on the 2-hour chart, the short-term trend on the 4-hour chart. Make sense, everybody? Boss, can you give us an easy example? Sure. Everybody, so easy example, right? Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Okay? What you're going to do in here, everybody? Easy example, right? Not to complicate too much. You are here right now. What are you going to do? Are you going to go long or short? We have 5 minutes, everybody. No complicating, right? Easy example. This is your short-term trend. What are you going to do? Long or short? Long or short in here? Don't tell me what you would do. Sure, thank you for being honest. Is anybody else who is honest here and is going to say, well, I'm shorting the market. I'm shorting the market. I have the downtrend line. I have the downtrend line. Market making lower lows or highs. I'm going to short. Anybody else who is... Jordanka, why would you go long in the markets making lower lows, lower highs, everybody? Don't tell me long. Why would you go long in here? Short, thank you very much. Ernesto, short. If you are going long in here, something's not good. I'm going to call in the office. Why are you going long in here? Short half an hour ago, thank you very much. And then this is going to happen. What are you going to do in here? Long or short? Long or short? This is the relevant high. This is the relevant high. You went short. You are in the red, losing. What are you going to do up in here? What are you going to do at the circle? Long or short? The rectangle is the relevant high. The market is in here. You went short the first time, the market stopped you out, or maybe you were in the red. The market pushed higher. What are you going to do? If you say long, you are wrong, everybody. Don't say long. Short, thank you very much. If you say long, you are wrong. This is the relevant high. This is the retracement on the downtrend. Short, very good. The market is going to do this and is going to stop you out. It's going to stop you out and start making lower lows or highs. What are you going to do in here? Short, thank you very much. Now the market stopped you out. So we lost the first trade, we lost the third trade. Now the market stopped you. We lost this trade, we lost this trade. The market broke the relevant high. and start to make lower lows, lower lows, lower highs again. What are you going to do at the circle? You are here. If you say long, you are wrong because the market's making lower lows, lower highs. Broto, you are wrong. The market's making lower lows, lower highs. You should go short. But it broke the relevant high. Yes, sir. What about lower lows, lower highs? Right, everybody? So if you go short, you should go short. You should go short, everybody. Cry. You should go short. You shouldn't go long in here. But if the market stops you out for the third time, now you don't enter short anymore. I'm too crying, boss. Don't cry, everybody. It's a learnable skill. Make sense? You are going to have losing trades. You are going to have losing trades. There is no way you are going to predict this. You know? If you go, everybody, so one more before we finish for today. If you go long in here, you are wrong. If you think that if you go long in here, then you have the crystal ball and you know that the market is going to retrace, do you? How is your account so far? The crystal ball traders, how is your account? Oh, I know this market is going to reverse. Okay, everybody, have a happy weekend. See you back on Monday. Until Monday, stay strong and trade for freedom. Don't trade for money. Download this